Yo, what up guys? I'm back with another video. This time, I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. I mean, you can guess by the title what it is. You know by the title what it is, so I don't even gotta tell you. But yeah, I've been wanting to do this video for a while, but I've just been waiting for this shipment right here. It takes forever from Japan. Fucking shipping is expensive too, so yeah. Alright, let's unbox this thing. First off, it's pretty fucking heavy. I bought this on the 27th, and it came probably like, I'm not sure, a week and a half later. Yeah, about a week and a half. But yeah, I need a fucking knife or something. Hold up. Oh, fuck, it's heavy. Alright, I got this stupid knife. Let's unbox this thing. I mean, it came ripped already. Ooh. Damn, they look good. Look at that. I fucking love this. So what happened was, they sent me the wrong colors. I bought a set of pink springs, but they sent me a pair of pink and a pair of greens. And I was pretty fucking pissed about that. I was pretty bummed. So I bought the 140mm height and 80K 63 ID inner diameter, as you can see, focus. But yeah, they're pretty clean. But the thing is, they came beat up. Look at this. Paint is chipped. Fucking. They were banging against each other. The packaging was ass, to be honest. They're banging against each other, and you know, paint chipped. So here's the fucking logo. I don't know if it's focusing or not, but the logo right here, and then oh yeah, I bought the 80K. I already told you. But yeah, these are the pink one. I bought the pink one. These are like 5.5 height, 63 in inner diameter, and they're 80K, which is pretty fucking stiff. But yeah, fuck that. Let's do the green. Just unpackage all of them. But yeah, this one came fucking beat too. Look at it. I don't know if it's gonna rust or not, but yep. mean, I like it. It's pink. Ooh. These springs are kind of heavy. They're fucking nice. I've been wanting these for a long time. These are the same shit, but they sent me the wrong shit. Come on, Japan. Come on, 326Power. They're pretty clean, nonetheless. Look at that. Fucking chip. But yeah, these are green ones. These are green ones. They're pretty clean. I like them. I don't know. They seem to have like a cheap powder coating to them. It's kind of stupid, but it's just. 326Power. Yeah. They're clean. I like them. Here's another one. Yo. Hell yeah. Look at this. The quality's, I don't know. Paid a lot for these. Paint's horrible. I mean, this spring, so who cares, right? But yeah, that's a green one. It's cool. I ain't tripping. Oh, it's not worth the hassle to, refund and get what you want. But yeah, like that. I'm gonna show you guys some pics that I took when I first got them. I'm gonna post them up right here, right now. Yep. I like the pink ones. I love these. They're amazing. They look good. Yeah. These are springs. Stay tuned to the next video. I'm gonna put them on my coils. So stay tuned. You dig? Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna go. Peace out. I'm gonna go edit this.